Hi friends, I am Dr. Sudhar NG from Sanjini College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Friends, today we are going to study a top subject that is a natural drug technology. In this one subject, we are going to study a particular topic that is a form cosmetics. That is cosmetics for skin care. In nowadays, we are going to use a cosmetic for the skin for various purposes. For which purpose we are going using the cosmetics? Can you tell? Yes, for cleansing purpose, then for nourishing purpose to have a moisture. Suppose that someone is there is having a dry skin, so we are going to apply maybe a moisturizer. Likewise, the different type of the moisturizers are there. If the skin is there that it should be oily, then we are going to use the different type of the cleansing agents are there that are to be utilized. Then for nourishment, if the skin is there is not a proper one, wrinkles are there that is be found, then physician prescribe us some of the nourishing agents are there where the high protein source are there that should be provided. Such type of the agents are there that are to be utilized just to make a skin healthy. For this one purpose, healthy, for cleansing purpose, for beautifying purpose, we are using the different type of the cosmetics. And if the plant materials plays an important role or as active ingredient in case of this one, then it is known as a herbal cosmetic for skin. The herbal approach of the proper skin care is principally based on the three essential states, such as the cleansing, nourishing, moisturizer. Whatever it may be, the type of the skin is there. What means any type of the skin. It is not like for a special skins are there or the skin shows the variety of effect on the as per the seasonal changes. Then, as per the change, your skin must be a healthy one. So that to have a skin healthy we're going to use a different type of the chemical that which becomes cosmetics for skin, and if herbs are utilized then it is known as a herbal cosmetics. Then three steps are there. All these agents are there that are to be applied externally. These are not to be taken internally. For external care, the skin to protect from the constant effect of the environment. In rainy season, some of the effect is there is on the skin. Then on the winter season, then dryness of the skin is there should be found. Then rashes are there that should found. Then in case of the summer season, the skin become more oily because of the sweat and the stress, and the skin natural processes are there of the cell degradation is decay. Degradation of the cell is the natural process. If there is a delay or decay in if there should be carried out, then we are going to suffer by the different type of the diseases. Then for this one purpose, these cosmetics gives us a protection from the environmental attack to have a healthy skin. Now, herbal cosmetic for various type of the skins are there. For different type of the oily skin, for dry skin, likewise the different type of the cosmetics are there, and the ingredients are there that is also there. So let's see for the dry skin. Example of the herb which are to be used in case of the dry skin is there, that is a Rubia cardifolia. In Marathi it is known as a manjista. Then second one is there Triphala. The Triphala means three fold, that is the Amla, Hirda, and Beda. Triphala Churna, you have heard a name, Triphala. The same one, they are not utilized for only for the GIT purpose, but for they have also another purpose. Amla, it provides nourishing effect to the skin. Hirda is there, Beheda is there. Likewise, they play an important role. Then Tulsi is the one. Then Glycyrrhiza glabra in a sesame oil. Glycyrrhiza glabra means just a mud. In Marathi, it is known as a, just a mud, and that is we use in a sesame oil. That is a til tail. Then fruit face mask. Means in the face mask, there is a use of the fruits is there, banana or avocado pulp is there. Then pulp of the apple is there, which is the high source of the proteins are there that are to be utilized in case of the fruit paste mass are there. Means they plays an important role as a flavoring agent also, then as a source of the protein also. Then for sensitive skin, some of the persons are there or the ladies are there, they are having a very sensitive skin. means some of the allergic reactions are there that are to be found. In that case, Shero is the one drug which is to be utilized. Then curcuma, longa, haldi or turmeric is the one best example is there which plays an important role for the cure. Then Triphala is there such as the Amla, Heda, Beheda. Then Ajadi Chata, Indica is there. Then Ajadi Chata, Indica, Mastaka is there. Then Nimba in the coconut oil, that is a fruit face mask. Nimba or lemon, both are there that are plays as important role. Then banana or pineapple, then apple, pulps are there that are to be utilized for the sensitive skin. Then for oily skin, the herbs which are to be utilized are Tulsi. Tulsi has antibacterial, antiviral, or somewhere antifungal action also. Then Edhora is there. Then Jati Phata is the one is there. Then Nimba. Then Terminalia Arjuna is there. That is Arjuna bark is there. Then Kurkuma Longa. That is the haldi is there. That is we utilize for the oily skin. Then fruit face mask which is we use for the oily skin are there, that is the strawberry or papaya pulp. These are there that are to be utilized for the oily skin also. Different type of the herbal creams are there. These are the different type of the herbs are there that were to be seen, but these are the different type of the formulations are there. In that one cold cream, the name itself indicate you that cold and cream, a cream which is to be utilized uh, to have a cold effect, that is known as a cold cream is there. It is an emulsion uh, in which the predominates, but the cooling effect is produced when it is to be applied on the skin. This is due to the skin evaporation. Because of our body temperature, the evaporation of the water content is there is to be carried out through the oils, and then it is produces a cold effect. It is known as a cold cream. For example, almond oil plays an important role in case of this one. Second one is there, that is a vanishing cream. Vanishing cream is also known as a foundation cream because they de-appears when rubbed into the skin. Example is there, that is a rose oil is there. In case of most of the time, in case of the preparation of the vanishing cream, rose oil as a flavoring agents are there that are to be utilized because this is a foundation cream. When any one of the ingredient is there that should be applied to the skin to have its action for a longer time, then these vanishing creams are there that are to be utilized because this disappears after massage or after application on the body or rubbing. And cleansing cream is there. A satisfactory cleansing cream in the water in oil emulsion. Cleansing cream is nothing but is an emulsion is there. That is a W by O type of the emulsion is there that melts at a temperature of body and spreads readily over the skin. Means at that our body temperature, the melting of the vanishing cleansing cream is there should be carried out, and it penetrates into the body and cleans the material fastly. Next one is there, that is a face lotions are there. These are also known as a bleaching lotion. Means lotion and liniments, the creams are there that are to be having somewhat different. Lotions are there that are just applied to the body surface. There is no need to massage. Okay, then lotion actually alter the color of the skin, like the whitening of the skin. Someone is there that is having a blackish or the fair skin is there. In that case, the lotions are there that are to be applied. Face lotions are there that are to be improved to improve the brightness or whitening effect on the skin is there. That is a face lotions are there. Then her for the skin cares are such as your green tea, that is the camellia sinensis is there, which is to be obtained from this one. Green tea is there. The tea leaves are there that is not to be fermented and then not to be dried. Then from the content, the are there that are to be removed. That is the camellia sinensis is there. that gives a protection against the damage to the cell, moderate inflammation. When this inflammation is there because of the some uh, chemicals which are attacking, or because of the environmental pollutants are there, there is inflammation is the issue occur, so that the green tea extracts are there that is we utilize nowadays. These extracts are there that is not is more favorable in preparation of all these things, that is the green tea extracts are there. Next one is there, that is a turmeric, that is to be obtained from a curcuma longa that produces the natural golden glow and has healing effect. Everywhere the turmeric is there, that is we utilize starting from the anti-cancer effect till the antiseptic effect. In the various form, the turmeric plays an important role where the coloring agent, a wide spectrum of action or the use of the turmeric are there that are to be found. Now the rose is there, that is you obtain from rose rosa, that is to be used as a toner for fair as well as the dry skin. Some of the moisturizing or nourishing effect is there that is be happen on the skin when you are feeling a very tiredness or the dull face is there. Just you have to wash your face by using rose water. The freshness is there that should appear on the face skin. Then sandal, that is you obtain from a plant species, that is a Sandalum album. In Marathi, that is known as the chandan, which is to be having a cooling and calming effect with a natural astringent as well as the antiseptic properties. Then anti-aging treatments are there, which is found in the skin. There, that is a carrot that is obtained from the Dacus carota, which is the rich source of vitamin A. Carrot everywhere we have to be observed that vitamin A source is there. That is a carrot is there, pineapple is there, so these are having anti-aging properties. Then your apple is also having this one effect, that is the anti-aging treatment. It provides proteins so that the skin becomes more healthy or nutritive one. It promotes the formation of the new cell and help in reducing the wrinkles on the skin. Next one is there, that is a henna, that is a Lawsonia inermis or Lawsonia alba. These are the two important sources of this one. Henna is there. It is has a natural affinity with the proteins in hair, making it able to stain the color into the hair shaft. Also means not only for the coloring of the hair, but also from coloring of the palm of the hand and sole of the toe is there. In that case, the drug is there that should be utilized when there is a heat is there is more in the body to reduce the heat from the body. The henna paste is there should be applied, which is the most favorable treatment to decrease the body heat. And this is about your skin cares are there remaining see in the